How to recover your TikTok account without phone number or email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can gain access back into your TikTok account without having access to your phone number or your email. Now, if you don't have your phone number or your email, the first thing you have to understand is that the process will get quite difficult because there's really nothing that TikTok can use to verify that the owner is actually you. So the first thing I would always recommend, you try to gain access to that number anyhow, try to gain access to that email anyhow. When you have access to those emails, then you'll be able to reset your TikTok account's password and then recover your account similarly. In this case, I'll just go ahead and then open up TikTok, right? And then once I open up TikTok, you'll basically see this type of interface. So I'm going to come to my profile page and then I'll just try to log in. The problem here is that let's say that you forgot your username and your password as well as your login information, you don't have access. In this case, if your account is linked with your Facebook or even Google or even Twitter or Instagram or even Apple ID if you're using on iOS, try to log in with those, because if your account was actually linked with the Google account, when you select continue with Google, you'll be able to successfully log into your account and gain access back to it. Or else just tap on use phone over here basically. But again, we don't have access to this phone number. Even if we enter our phone number or even if we log in by email over here, we don't have access to our email in order to reset our password. So in that case, tap on the question mark icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then over here you'll be able to see a list of many details. Over here, tap on the topic that says logging in, and then once you tap on the topic that says logging in, it will ask you to recover your account. So first of all, look up your account using any of these methods. So over here, first of all, you have to search for your account. It could be searching with the Instagram username if it's linked. It could be searching with the email. Now for this, you don't need to have access. You can just search for your email and then check which account you're trying to gain access to. Or you can simply enter your TikTok account's username, or you can simply enter your phone number. So in this case, I'll just search for my TikTok account using my username, right? So I'll just go ahead and enter my TikTok account's username in this case. Now once I do that, I'm going to hit the next option, and TikTok is going to verify whether that account exists or not. If it does exist, then we are going to proceed to recovering. So it says choose a method to verify your identity. Now you have three methods in this case depending upon which method you've added. In my case, I have my phone number linked with my TikTok account, I also have my email address linked with my TikTok account, and I also have my Google account linked with my TikTok account. So I have made basically three options. Now in your case, you could have 4 or 5, you could have only 1 or 2, but you don't have access to any of those. If you don't have access, then you can just tap on the need help option over here. Once you tap on the option called need help, just make sure to enter a new phone number that you actually want to add to your TikTok account instead. Then over here, you simply have to enter a new phone number that you want to use, or you can also simply tap on the add email option, and then as you've done that, it will send a verification to go to your new email that you want to use, and then after that you can simply use a new email or your new phone number in order to log into your TikTok account. And this is how you can recover your TikTok account without phone or your email or username. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.